Hi guys, it's Jamie from Coptrz, Commercial Drone Experts. I'm one of the UAV strategists here, and I'm just going to do a quick run through of the Mavic 2 Pro and also the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual Thermal. So this is how they arrive after you've purchased them. So as you can see, there's quite a big difference straight away. Starting with the Mavic 2 Pro. So this is a 20 megapixel Hasselblad camera. It's got a 1-inch sensor. So the data you're going to be able to collect is going to be super precise and detailed. So this is a great camera and great drone for photography, cinematography, monitoring, inspection. This really is a kind of ticks all boxes, a really great drone, but not a specialist at anything. So if you are looking to get into the industry, fantastic start, really good starter point. Having a closer look in the box, this is how it will arrive. So as you can see, really nice, simple, sleek. So you've got the actual drone itself, which then comes out, and it's simple fold out technique of getting that out and flying like this. And it is literally just a case of charging it up, make sure all the firmware is up to date, and off you go, you can fly. Again, you have the remote, all your charging wires and props. So everything you need to fly, but very quite basic. So moving on to the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. So as you can see, the casing is really quite different straight away. Walking through some of the different attachments of the drone. You have the beacon. So this is great for letting other UAVs or light aircrafts aware that you're in the area. So this is a really bright little beacon that just sits on top of the actual drone itself, so it just bolts on and makes other people aware of your presence in the surrounding airspace. The actual spotlight, so this is a super bright attachment, again fits on exactly the same area, and this leads the way. It lets people know you're there. For example, if you're trying to find someone, they will be able to see the spotlight really quickly. It's super bright, so you can fly at night, you can fly inside and use it for inspection. It really is a versatile use of an accessory. You can see there's a bit of a gap here, and so basically all the attachments just screw in on here, and they would be fixed on like that. There's a quick demonstration there, and you can imagine this is where the light gets beamed out from, and it's the same for all the attachments. They just go straight on the top there. It's exactly the same, so it's got that fold out, and the self-heating batteries, which again is slightly different to the Mavic 2 Pro. So that all goes on there. It's very sleek, it all fits inside. And then finally we've got the speaker. So this can have pre-recorded sounds played out, or this can give out a live feed as well. So you've got that option. So heading into it, if you are search and rescue, you could have, say, help, relax, help is on its way, or if there's something more specific that needs to be said at the time, again, you've got that option. And it all just goes through your smartphone out to the drone, which is going to be connected to the controller here. So these arms spring out like this, and your phone would go into this gap there. So the actual drone itself and the camera, it's a mix of two sensors. The flare, the thermal sensor, and also the RGB. So when you're looking on your smartphone connected to the controller, you can zone in to the different pixels and the different temperatures. You can either look at the RGB sensor on its own, you can look at them as a multi-screen, or you can look at them together. So when you are looking at a thermal image that you're getting live, that is quite a vague, raw image. When you collaborate the two images together, you get like a negative imagery from the RGB. So this tightens up and makes the image more precise. Emergency services are using drones like this and technology, like flare technology, to find the source of the flames, source of the fire. Where is the main heat coming from? They can zone in on that area and extinguish the heart of the fire. So in summary, the Mavic 2 Pro is a fantastic drone to get started. It ticks plenty of boxes. It really is a great drone. Fantastic for building confidence. The Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual is fantastic with its visual and thermal camera that's been made by Flare in collaboration with DJI. Really fantastic drone, great for your inspection and also your search and rescue. It really can make a difference, and there's a lot of value to be had with all the attachments and the case that comes with it as well. It really does come with everything that you will need out in the field.